are going to make the shapes. These are the custom shape options. So let's make the changes. Use the radical there. Let's try the changing. So we have to make another design.